Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to find the solution about Netflix app, you should just go to your settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Netflix. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.